Hello, I'm Michael Levine, and I'm talking to you right now from the center of Hollywood, California, where I have represented over the last 35 years 58 Academy Award winners, 34 Grammy Award winners, 43 New York Times bestsellers, and 3 U.S. presidents of both political parties. I've represented a lot of major stars, and I've worked with a lot of major companies. And I think I've learned a few things about what makes them work and what makes them not work. And that's exactly what I'm coming to Tulsa, December 14th, Saturday, December 14th. Now, why would a man living in Hollywood, California, in the beautiful sunny weather of LA, come to Tulsa? Because last year I did it and it was damn exciting. I saw some of the smartest, most interesting, most compelling entrepreneurs I had met in some time in Tulsa. And I'm coming back again this year to give a talk about the secrets of success. What is it that makes some people super successful and other people not successful? What are the qualities? That's exactly what I'm going to tell you if you've got the guts. If you've got the guts to come to Tulsa, along with me, in middle December, I'll be with you on December 14th. Clay Clark has put together an exceptional presentation, really life-changing, and I'm looking forward to seeing you then. I'm Michael Levine. I'll see you in Tulsa.